Hey! It's Curious Keifer at the Library of Curiosities. Lately, I have been really into dinosaurs. I want to learn every piece of information about them. But no matter how many facts I soak up, I'll never truly know what it's like to be a dinosaur. Wait, that's it! If we can make our very own dino masks, it'll be like we're inhabiting the body and mind of a dinosaur. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A Dino Mask Template, this is optional. 3 sheets of craft foam or paper and cardboard from an old cereal box would also do the trick. If you are using foam, you'll need 2 of the same color and 1 of a different color. If you are using paper, just make sure you have 2 different colors. 1/4 sheet of cardstock or holographic cardstock or glitter cardstock or shiny paper from an old party bag. Some tape, a giant popsicle stick or regular sized popsicle stick or straw, some markers, and a glue stick. If you need more time to gather your supplies, press pause. I can wait. Okay, let's get this prehistoric party started. First up, we'll be cutting out the pattern for our dino mask. You can create your mask entirely on your own by drawing it and cutting it out, or you can use this handy template. If you're drawing your own, think about what you want your dino to look like. Maybe draw some triangles for the horns. These next steps will be for if you're using the template. Grab your scissors and cut out the template. For cutting out the eyes of the mask, fold the mask where the circle is and snip. Open it up, fold the other eye, and snip. Then you can open up the mask and cut out both eye holes more easily. Press pause if you need more time. Now we're on to step 2, tracing the pattern. First, grab your craft foam. Next, place your template on top of the foam and, using a marker, trace around the template. Super tip: to make it easier, tape your template to your foam to hold it in place before you start tracing. Don't worry if your tracing is a little messy. We'll use the other side of the foam for the mask. Your fancy paper is for your horns. Stick the cutout on the paper. I recommend doing this on the not so fancy side. Use a marker, trace them, and, yup, you guessed it, cut them out. Did you know horned-faced dinosaurs are called ceratopsians? The most famous one is the Triceratops. Finally, grab your scissors and cut out everything. Use the same technique as before for cutting out the eyes. Press pause if you need more time. Next up, we'll put our masks together. Grab a glue stick and glue the mask together like this. Press pause if you need more time. We'll be dinosaurs in no time because we're on our last step. Make it super. This is when we can add some pizzazz. What else can you add to your mask? Perhaps some more color? Scientists have come to believe that while some dinosaurs were pale grays and greens, it's also likely that a bunch of dinosaurs had super vibrant, bright colors. So get as creative as you like. You can even draw on some scales. Or maybe add some feathers. After all, modern birds descended from the dinosaurs. We think it's quite possible that dinos had colorful plumage. Next, grab some tape and fasten your popsicle stick or straw to the side of the back of the mask. That becomes your very own mask holder. Take all the time you want to keep thinking about fun details to add. It's time to make it totally, entirely your own. Press pause if you need more time. Golly, it's one thing to learn about dinosaurs, and it's a whole other thing to become one. Our masks are looking fantastic. After you've finished, take a photo of your creation and send it into hello@supernow.com. In the meantime, I'll be practicing my roar. Roar. See you later. Roar!